It's very difficult to get a colleague like Mary Fernandez because I joined in the year 1982 and the support and the guidance that I got from her, so that has been something extraordinary, I should say. It's real, um, I do appreciate and admire her talents, and it has been really wonderful, I should say. It's been really wonderful.
You put up an entertainment for the school kids. Both of you dressed up in school uniform, and I mean, I think it was a classroom or something that you tried to scene in a classroom. So were there any incidents behind the scenes which you would like to share with us?
First and foremost, actually, till the last date, we weren't very sure what we are going to put up. And at the last minute, we decided that we'll dress up as children because we had no theme in hand, actually. You know, it has been always over the years. Children's Day preparations, we will be thinking, planning it from the month of August, I should say, we'll do something. But actually something comes up on 13th evening, 13th of November. 13th evening, we'll say, okay, tomorrow we are going to do this. So do you want me to tell you about that particular play or something else?
Or have there been other ones as well then?
Yes, I think the one that we put up this year, it was about the railway station scene. And we weren't aware that she will walk up. But the way she came onto the stage, suddenly, like I had dressed up myself as a Sardarji, as usual. And she just walked up, said, what was it, Mary? Anglo-Indian lady. And Sister Marie Therese's friend and Teresa Thomas's friend and all. And then, you know, it was something beautiful actually. Regarding that very particular skit that we had put up, we both planned that whom we are going to imitate. And we could not get a person whom we are going to imitate on the stage till the last minute. And I know what we did. It was so stupid, I felt actually.
What about Mary impresses you the most?
Beg your pardon, I didn't.
What about Mary impresses you the most?
Okay, that's the gift of the gap that she has. Not that.
Sentence.
Quite often.
Clooney convent ge Maryye Bhushanam. Can you follow? Clooney ge Maryye Bhushanam. Mary Fernandez. Bhushanam means that is, she's everything. Without Mary, I think no Clooney. And I used to say also, voice of Clooney. Voice of Clooney also, because I won't forget her beautiful voice. Girly, as you feel, I think, name for Mary Fernandez. I think I'll try my best to sing little bit, not like other singers. Iddare ಗೆಳತಿ ಹೀಗಿರಬೇಕು ಮೇರಿಯ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು. Come on, you can also join. ಇದ್ದರೆ ಗೆಳತಿ ಹೀಗಿರಬೇಕು. Come on. ಇದ್ದರೆ ಗೆಳತಿ ಹೀಗಿರಬೇಕು ಮೇರಿಯ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ದರೆ ಗೆಳತಿ ಧೈರ್ಯದ ನಡತೆ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸೋಲುವ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮೋಡಿಯ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ಧೈರ್ಯದ ನಡತೆ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸೋಲುವ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮೋಡಿಯ ನುಡಿಗೆ. ಗೌರವ ಗತ್ತಿನ ಗಂಭೀರ ನಡಿಗೆ ಗರ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದುವೇ ದೇವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆ. ಗರ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದುವೇ ದೈವದ ಕೊಡುಗೆ. ಇದ್ದರೆ ಗೆಳತಿ ವಾ ವಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಗೆಳತಿ ಹೀಗಿರಬೇಕು ಮೇರಿಯ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಮೇರಿಯ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲೋನಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ ಸೇವೆಯು ಖಾತಿಗೆ ಮರೆವೆವು ಎಂದು ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ಹೊಸಗೆ. ಉಳಿಯಲಿ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಮೈತ್ರಿಯ ಬೆಸುಗೆ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹದ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಬೆಸುಗೆ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹದ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ. ಇದ್ದರೆ ಗೆಳತಿ ಹೀಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಮೇರಿಯ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು, ಮೇರಿಯ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ದರೆ ಗೆಳತಿ